Hello everyone, welcome to Manabi channel. So I'm Pai. I will present about the box opening for MEP systems. Okay, today I have a video about the box art installations. And in this video, I really appreciate to the engineering. We are having a very high responsible job to our works. So now let's see the installation of the box openings. Yes, we are having the box installation here, so we are really concerned about the fixing supports, the fixing support of the box and the dimension. Make sure everything the dimension from the grid lines to your installation are correctly, and make sure the fixing support are strong enough for when we are doing the concrete, during the pouring the concrete, make sure our pipe sleeve support are not moving, or make sure it's not have any issue or any error of the locations, because we try to change the PVC pipe spark and the location are very important for the bug, because when your installation is not correct, not following the soft dropping, the approval soft dropping, it will be effects to the MEP service, where we have to install the chillers pipe, or we install the firefighting pipe, or the MEP conduit at this conduits. So we are very strictly to check this. We are very strictly to check the work. Okay, let's see this. This is the box. This is the MEP series, and this one is the box opening that we have installed previously. Yeah, this hall. So now we can see the cool water, the cool water, the plumbing service, the firefighting, and other service like here. So this is, we are working well. Everything is follow the space, so it doesn't matter with the installations. Now the engineering become to check the location and the spot of the piping. Is there any error with the installation? It's not. Yes, this is the pipe sleeve and the box. The pipe sleeve that we will make for box opening to install for MEP service. I think in this video I just want to remind and want to share that we must make sure all our service like the MEP service is very important during the concreting installation. So we have to join with the service team to check our pipe sleeve, and the fixing support, like we can keep the cover everything, because when we pouring the concrete, everything will be finished, will be done. So the owner, they are not happy if we are trying to coring when we are installed for the wrong location for the box opening, and we try to required for calling or something, so the owner they are not happy, especially when we are installing near the slab or storage near the beam or on the beam. It is very important case. So make sure your work follow the standard installation, and your work follow the shaft drawing, approval shaft drawing, and the material using brush. Okay, this is the idea from my channel. Thank you everyone. And let's see the installation of our MEP service. This is after we complete installation for the box out, and this is the result. It is very good. The work are very compliant to the shaft drawing, so we can get a very good installations. We don't need to cut the sleeve more. Then like this one, we can install our MEP service really well, not affect to another system. This is the box for firefighting. It is the sleeve, but this one it is not work. This box we did not use the sleeve. This is the cording hole here, so it's not good. We have a mistake here, so this is a good experience. Please be concerned of these points. This is the good installation. This is the chiller pie, and this is the fresh air duct, and our spark opening are located at the correct locations. Here also same, we did the cable trunking for our power cable and the LED's cable. It is located at the correct locations, and the dimension are comply to the shaft drawing. But this one is same. We have a mistake here. We did not install the pie sleeve, the box out properly, so we need to cut it. And we can see here very bad, not good.